a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 3 o'clock p.m. or 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 11:49 a.m. Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots and large hail from 37 nautical miles west of Wilmette Harbor to 42 nautical miles west of Northerly Island, moving east at 30 knots. These severe thunderstorms will be near Northerly Island around 1:10 p.m., Calumet Harbor around 1:20 p.m. A severe thunderstorm